Part of what makes Together a really exciting company in this space is really our team, our founding team. Our two co-founders, Chris Ray and Percy Liang, are professors at Stanford. They've really been pioneers in the field of AI systems. Our CTO, Sil Zhang, who used to be a professor at ETH and did a lot of work on distributed training and distributed optimization methods. And a lot of that stuff is now being applied in production as part of our technology stack. So we've built, I would say, the leading AI systems research lab in the industry, and it really sort of feeds our product and technology roadmap. The team has grown quite rapidly. We are less than 3 years old. We grew from 30 people last year to 170 today, and we expect to double by the end of this year. And we've managed to really sort of have amazing talent density at the company that makes all the things work.
From our team's perspective, I think when you look at the Hypertech team, we talk about everything we're trying to do, which is really build up these clusters, design them, build them, and deliver them efficiently, with quality, with reliability. It takes, in terms of the type of operations expertise, the type of product expertise you need, and that experience that they have is really the key to our success, in terms of how they've been working. Our team's made up of veterans in the traditional cloud space. They've been at it for a very long time. This is a shift, this is a pivot. So it's really a question of using what they've learned in that space and injecting Hypertech's DNA in high-performance computing and data centers. And I have to say, it's been quite an impressive feat, the pivot that was done. Because understanding the inner workings of a cloud orchestration platform or a cloud platform, and then moving that to more of an HPC type of environment, AI environment with these large-scale clusters in such a short period of time has been remarkable in terms of what they've been able to do. And it's very interesting the way I see them evolve in this world is that, as we mentioned, technology is shifting really quickly. So whatever you learned before, of course, there's some things that are similar, but you have to keep relearning. You have to keep learning more and adapting to what's happening. And I think our team is so in tune with this. I didn't necessarily expect that they want to. It's something that's, it's all new for everyone. But they've not only been able to do it, they've excelled at it. And I think that's been the key to our success and our ability to scale this environment, across North America and globally. So the whole idea of having this ability to scale quickly at the right cost structure, the right speed, and the right quality requires that kind of mentality to apply across the organization. And I think you see that very clearly in Hypertech's team. And I'm truly proud of what they've been able to accomplish, and I'm confident we have the foundation required to really take this to another level.